Trey here from Topic Tech, and today I have a really cool new product to show you guys. Is the brand new Elgato Stream Deck pedal. Now you're probably thinking there's already been USB pedals that are out there. Well, this changes the game, just like the Stream Deck did when it came out. Now you have a USB pedal that will link up with your Elgato Stream Deck as well too, but this adds extra form factor to be able to mute yourself with the pedal, or a bunch of other things that even the Stream Deck can do as a button that lets you extend your controls to your feet. So we're gonna jump right in, check it out, see what it's all about. Let's go ahead and get this opened up and see what it all comes with. So this is pretty big right out of the box. This is giant. Set that to the side for now. There it is, the Stream Deck pedal. We'll check that a little later. Yeah, it looks like there are some springs that we're gonna need to install. And then this is a pretty long braided cable. I don't know if you can see from here. That is a braided USB-C with gold tips cable and the actual pedal itself. So let's open this up. There is the pedal. So it's not just one pedal. There's actually 3 pedals. So there's a pedal here in the middle, a pedal here on the left, and a pedal here on the right. And if I wanted to adjust the spring set, this one says 700. This one says 1,000 or 2,000. There's also, here's 1,000. And then here's 1400. So here's the back side of it with all the screws out of it. Just make sure these 4 corners are gonna have longer screws and the 2 in the middle are actually shorter. So make sure you don't get those mixed up when you go to put it back on. But here's what it looks like on the inside. There's the metal plate, we'll place that to the side. And here are those 4 springs that you'll adjust if you're wanting to change the stiffness in them as you press them. So like these 2 on the very end feel a lot stiffer, while these 2 in the middle feel pretty loose. So you can switch these out. They give you 2 pairs. So this is a 2000. Here's a 1400. Here's a 1000. Here's a 700. And then here's stoppers. So you can switch these out to however you want. I would try the default first just to see how you like it. And then you can go and switch them out. You can have them be softer or harder depending on what you put into them based on this configuration. So pretty cool if you're looking to make it softer or lighter. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. I should be able to just plug this in, get it installed, update the Elgato Stream Deck software, and it should be good to go. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So here is the Stream Deck software. Now it's gonna look just like this. When you plug it up, it'll bring up the screen. But if you already have a Stream Deck, you can just switch over if you don't see this. This is where you'll be able to drag and drop any of the Stream Deck applications that you want each pedal to coordinate with. Let's say you wanna do something with the left pedal to be a scene, or if you wanna have it start a recording, you can have the right pedal to do that. Here's just the welcoming button. You can delete that. All right, let's have some fun, and let me show you how I will set mine up. That way maybe you could use the same. The first things first, I'd want to have this pedal be what I use to either toggle mute or just mute myself in general when I'm gaming with others. So you can either do push to talk, I'll have that as the middle button. So when I press it, I'm able to talk through Discord, and then when I don't want to talk through Discord, I just let it go. Your leg starts to cramp up and you don't want to do that over and over again. You can just have it press one time and that'll mute yourself. Then you press it again to unmute yourself. That's one thing you could do as well too. If I am live on Twitch and I want to create a clip, for an example, so I can actually have one pedal be a create a clip button. I just gotta log into my Twitch account here. And then you have one whole pedal left. You can do something like slow chat or play an ad. That way you don't have ads all the time. So you can do 30, 60, 90 minutes, 120 minutes, however long you want to. That can just be a pedal. That way it's just something quick and easy for you to press. Let's say you want to have applause as one of your buttons. You can press it. And there you go. Now you can give yourself applause whenever something good happens. I don't know. So one thing to note, this does work just fine on carpet. I can press each button just fine. It also works really well with shoes. Like I would definitely use this without shoes, but you can definitely tell the distinction easily with shoes on. If you do have hard surface, like a hardwood surface, that'll probably be better, more efficient. But if you have carpet like I do, you can also get one of these floor mats that allows you to have a smoother surface. This feels really a lot better on a flatter surface. If you have hardwood, don't have to worry about this, but if you do have carpet like I do, you can get one of these. And it also helps you glide your chair as well too. But this will help you be able to easily press each button as you're using it. Elgato did provide this unit for me to showcase to you guys and review. Let me know in the comment box down below whether you're gonna get one for yourself, and then what buttons do you find yourself using out of the 3 you'll be using on this pedal. Like for me, it's gonna be definitely the mute button as well as a clip button, so that way I can clip actions or motions or things that happen. And then for the 3rd one, I'll probably make it like a sound effect, like an applause or a laughter sound effect. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box down below. Be sure to hit the like button if you like this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.